Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Bybit. For that, first of all, you will have to launch your web browser in your PC, and in the search bar, you will have to search for bybit.com. Afterwards, you will have to hover over to the login section, and then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Bybit account first. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you are going to see this Assets tab in the top. So you need to navigate to the Assets tab, and here you are going to see the option of deposit. So you will have to click on deposit, and after that you will be redirected on your assets section, where you will have to select that particular crypto which you want to deposit in your Bybit account. So let's say you want to deposit Ethereum, so you will have to select Ethereum. Then it will ask you to choose a chain, so it is ERC20, so you will have to click on ERC20. Once you do this, you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address of Ethereum on Bybit. So you just have to copy that address, and then you need to open a new tab and simply search for coinbase.com. Then you just have to log in into your account, and after that you will have to click on the option of send and receive. Once done, you are going to see this type of section where you will have to select Ethereum, and right next to it you will have to click on the withdraw option. Now once you click on withdraw, a pop-up window will open in front of you, where you just have to paste the link that you have just copied from Bybit, and after that you just have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer from there. Then you need to press the confirm button in the bottom, and you just have to confirm your withdrawal. After waiting for some time, you will have to come to Bybit again, and this way you will be able to easily withdraw from Coinbase to Bybit. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.